Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. It's me, Wrenie Bird here, and we already done the makeup challenge, but we wanted to do another one because it was so fun and silly, and it was crazy. So make sure to watch that video too. And while Momma Bird is tying the blindfold, I'm going to show you the products we're going to use. We're going to use this concealer, eye makeup, some glitter to go on your face. This is our brush. We're using this palette. It says all the information on the back.
Estelada.
And
we're not sponsored.
That's what it looks like.
Paracone.
Yes, that's our lip gloss we're going to use. These are for foundation, and that's our...
Super dramatic. Okay. Now, blindfold. We just sacrifice.
I'm going first.
All right.
Ow, ow.
We got clip in. Okay, Wrenie Bird. Wink. All right.
Okay, so
can you see?
No.
How many fingers do I have out?
0. Can I have some concealer?
Do you want me to put it on the back of your hand like
no,
that?
No. Actually, yes.
Okay.
Wait, yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's cold.
This teeny little brush you've got going on, I don't know how you do anything with
No, big brush. I want big brush.
Okay, here you go. I better pull
Where
my hair
is it
back,
on my hand?
because tomorrow is Mother's Day. Okay. So you think she should do my face for Mother's Day, guys?
What?
Nothing. Great job. This is going to be so beautiful.
Wait, okay.
Blends nicely. Guys, I'm keeping my eyes shut just in case. Yep, just like that. Yep.
What happened?
You're jabbing my eyeball. Brush my teeth. It's my fault I have my mouth open.
You gotta keep your mouth shut.
I think that's good. I don't think getting worse on the brush. Okay, now what? Some blush?
Yeah, blush.
Okay. Blush. Oh, that did not taste good. Okay, let me juice it up.
Yeah, I want the
bright one?
bright one.
Okay, yeah. There you go. It's juiced up.
Okay, good.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
What? Am I doing a job?
Yes, it's horrible.
How dare you?
Oh my gosh. I look like a Oompa Loompa. Alright, here, let me juice it up for the other side.
You're the one juicing it.
Alright.
Do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Can't feel your line. I want to see so bad.
How's that look? Woo! Woo! What do you think, guys? On that side. All right. Now what? Do we go smoky eye?
I want to do lipstick.
Okay. This has got some lipstick going on. All right. I got my lips up.
What? You can't back out of this. What? What?
Why are you putting so much on?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow.
Did I get up your nose?
No, thank goodness. But I tell you what, it looks like I got some sort of really bad rash. Okay, are we going smoky eye or you want glitter?
Smoky eye.
Smoky eye.
And I'm going to use the glitter all around your face.
Do you want the brush for the smoky eye? Wrong one. She likes this. Do you want the little tab?
I want
With the long one?
the long
With the black?
with the black, yeah.
Do you want to use this thing?
What?
Don't peek!
I'm not trying to.
She took her mask off and said, I'm not trying to peek.
Well, I went like that, but I
Do you want the dabby thing?
What dabby thing?
The thing that looks like this.
No, I don't like this thing.
Yeah, because that pokes my eye. How about this? The other side fell off.
It's supposed to do that, so black, 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 black.
With the big brush like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Ugh. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Why are you putting it over my face?
I'm not trying to.
Oh, whoa.
What's the top at
You actually can't see it.
What? Put more black.
More black. Okay. All right.
Ow. Sorry. I just got lipstick on my hand.
My sweet Jesus. Oh my gosh.
Revenge!
Revenge from what?
I don't know.
Yeah, you see.
I just like saying
She
it.
says revenge, but guess who's going next, girlfriend?
You on the next video, part 2.
Oh my gosh, that's gotta be better, right? That's, oh my.
Are
Are you even trying?
Yes!
You did better the first video. This is horrible. I look like a raccoon. This is bad. This is bad. Laugh. I think you're done. You need to take that off and look.
No!
Shush. It is 9 o'clock at night and she is screaming. What's
I like
next?
the glitter.
The glitter?
Glitter.
Here, you just gonna use your finger or what?
I want to use a brush. Which side's it on?
This side.
Okay. Get that glitter all over there.
Oh.
Ow. Sorry. Done.
Literally look horrible.
Let me see. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It's Mother's Day tomorrow. And we have plans.
Let me see. Was I even trying?
Thank you.
Let me rub this in.
Alright. Listen. Is there anything you want to say? I'm
My
going to wash
bad.
this off. Right? And then it's part 2. Right? Yes.
No!
Okay, bye. I'm hitting in. Take one last look at this. Okay?
See what she does to me.